Welcome back to Retire Too Soon, and in today's video we're going to be laying down the weed barrier, the fake grass, and installing the swing and doing some cleanup in the front yard. So hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into the video. This is what we're going to be installing today. I got it at Lowe's. This is the weed barrier, professional level 3 plus. The part number on it should be right there. I'm probably gonna need to pick up some more because I decided to make the area bigger. I got this at Walmart. These are the landscape pins. Comes with a pack of 40. And then for the fake grass, I had a little look over of it. Focus. There's a part number on it, the brand. So it's 5 foot by 7, and I have to pick up some more today. All right, now that I got it raked out, got majority of the sticks and debris and everything, you can see my line of a pile. I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes because I'm pissing them off. So, but I want to clean up the area. I'm gonna do a 16 by 15. Give me a little extra space with the weed barrier, and then I'll center the fake grass on it. So the driveway curves a little bit, but I'm gonna try to go straight out there, and then I'll use the weed barrier. All right, I got the weed barrier laid down. I used all of it outside of this little piece right here, which is not that big. I'll use it for something else. So I used all 40 of the pins plus 6 more of another bag. This would have been big enough if I wasn't planning on making it bigger. So when I go to the store to get more supplies, I'll pick up another roll and some more fake grass to complete it all the way to the driveway. When you're installing it, I mean, I didn't read directions, but you want to overlap it at least 3 to 6 inches, especially if it's going to be in a traffic area. So walking, I mean, if you're doing civil work, obviously cars and stuff, you really want to overlap because it helps with the mud and stuff, you know, when it separates and it expands on the joints. So I overlapped it on here because, I mean, it's gonna be walked on, but the fake grass does have a mat on the bottom, so it shouldn't really affect it. It's probably a little overkill. So I'm gonna go to the store, pick up some more supplies, finish it off. I think it turned out pretty good, and I'm not too picky about it being, you know, perfectly straight and everything. I try to give myself, you know, some wiggle room. All right, I made it back home, finished off the weed barrier, and of course I forgot to pick up more of the staples, so I just used up the last I had. I still need to put a few more in here to hold the front down, and then I can start doing the fake grass. I still have some weed barrier left over, so I can use it for another project. And this is what I got, no dig landscaping edging to go around the outside edges so I can separate it from the real grass. So hopefully it keeps it nice. So got this at Lowe's. Same thing with the weed barrier, went back to Lowe's. So I decided to lay it out. I'm gonna leave it here all night and tomorrow. Let the sun heat it up and get all the ends flat. And then I'll readjust it. I'm thinking about moving it to my right, so that way. And then probably take out the staples on the left side, trim it down a little bit, and go from there. Put the edging on. Since I don't have the staples, I'll do the staples probably tomorrow evening. Could go to a car show tomorrow, so that should be fun. And then we'll start building the swing set. It's the next day. Got some more landscaping pins. Got 5 bags, went overkill. So I've used 2 bags so far. I haven't done the 3 edges yet. I'm leaving them undone for right now so I can do the edge material. And then I'm going to cut the black around it, pull the pins that I have already used. Hopefully I can reuse them again, and I'll move them underneath to finish it off. This is nowhere close to being perfect, but it should be functional, and my kids should love it. And I was thinking, I had this old outdoor mat that I used to use when I was in a fifth wheel trailer at a campground. So I'm trying to pull this out of storage and get some use, so make it a lot more durable. I would definitely not recommend this grass. So I mean, it's cheap. I guess you always get what you pay for. So let me start doing the edge, and I'll get back with you in a minute. In the landscape edging, you get 60 feet of the edge material, 3 connectors, and 18 stakes that are 8 inches long. Alright, got the edging all done. Got it all pinned in all the way around, so now it's all secured. I don't know if it's gonna show up in the video, but the 2 on the right and the 1 on the left looks like a different color. It's a lot darker than the 3 that are closest to me. Boy, the mosquitoes suck. You see it flying around, getting all bit up. Welcome to Alaska. You know, things that us parents do for our kids. So I'm gonna put on the other mat from my fifth wheel that you use for camping and get that secured. Here's everything installed. I got everything pinned down. I need to clean it off, get all that old dirt off there. And next would be installing the swing. So I'm probably gonna include the car show right after this clip. And it depends on how long this video is gonna be. I might separate the video with the swing set separate. So I don't want the videos being too long. I imagine this video might be a little boring, especially since I haven't done any time lapse, but I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch me struggle. So hope this wasn't enjoyable. Here's the final product after putting everything down, got everything pinned. I got the edging on, I got that old mat attached. I need to clean it off. Next I need to do is the swing set. I don't know if I'm going to include it in this video. I don't know how long it's going to be. I'm trying to keep this short, keep it somewhat interesting. So I don't know if you guys are bored of this. I would have done a time lapse of me putting all the pins and everything else in, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see me struggle. So very time consuming. This is a few days of work. So but I'll probably include the car show right after this clip. And if I don't start building the swing set in the same clip, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And until the next video, thanks for watching. And stay tuned for the car show after this.